Hello, handcrafters. Let's make a patchouli, turmeric, and rose clay soap. So I start out with all of my materials, my silicone things, and I'm going to measure out my turmeric as well as my rose clay. I put it in as half a teaspoon total, and I always take the oils from my main batter to add into that turmeric as well as the rose clay to pre-mix it. And I pre-mix it to avoid clumps and the finished soap. I want the colors to be very clear and solid without any speckles. So I just go ahead and mix that up, and I add it in at 1 tablespoon of oils to a half teaspoon of colorant. I also add in kaolin clay and colloidal oatmeal. I add this in all my soap bars just to give it a nice slip and a gentle exfoliation. And I mix those things prior to adding my lye solution, which I am adding here. I add all of my additives prior to adding the lye solution with the exception of honey because I want to be able to stick blend and get it fully incorporated without risking my batter reaching trace. So that's why I always do it before I add in the lye solution. I stick blend in 2 to 5 second bursts. That way I don't burn out my stick blender. I know that's like an odd number, but that's just how I do it because I hate to hear it running for too long. I just added in my patchouli essential oil, and I always mix that in with a silicone mold. I do not ever stick blend after that because, again, I don't want to risk any unnecessary trace because I want my nice fluid batter. So I am pouring this in a little over half a container. I believe it measured at around 600 milliliters. So I'm just mixing those in, and I'm going to use that to make my beautiful drop swirl. I always make extra soap batter so I can put it in these individual 4-ounce cavity molds because I use the extra batter to do samples as well as lather test. After I made the soap bar, I covered it with another wooden bottom from another soap mold, and I always do that to avoid soda ash because I don't spray with isopropyl alcohol like I used to do. And unfortunately, I forgot to do my little special swirl to the top, so you see like that rose clay strip. It's okay, it still came out okay, but it didn't give me the swirls on the top that I was hoping for, but the swirls on the inside came out perfect. And sorry for the view, guys. I just was not paying attention to how I was holding the soap bar. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The soap bar smells just like patchouli essential oil, which honestly I'm not a fan of, but for some reason all the locals love it. So I aim to cater. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. And for now, Black Hands are out. Bye-bye, guys.